Am I kind of idiot or what? Sometimes I really wonder. Oh no. Once again, and I made the same mistake. I put up the fence, mowed the plot, and then what? I left it for 8 months. Way to go, me. Of course, everything grew back just like before. When I saw it, I was completely destroyed. The Suveror is coming in 3 days, and I got the grass that's 1.5 meters tall. How did this happen? 8 months ago I thought I was on the final stretch to get my building permit, but then the battle began. I have to admit, it wasn't because of officious officials, but rather the incompetency of my architect. That's what happens when you try to save money. I hired the cheapest architect and the cheapest building engineer. The results? 8 months of waiting for the documents to be completed. Was it smart move? You could question that, but I know others who paid 10 times more and got them same problems. Unfortunately, price doesn't always equal quality. But in the end, I managed to get everything sorted and I could finally start building. Anyway, I eventually hacked my way through the jungle. It took me 2 afternoons, but little by little I got there. I realized then that this was a good lesson. When something overwhelms you, break down the problem into smaller pieces. I even recorded a motivation short out of all of this, just for myself, for the future, when I run into more problems. I gathered some old boards that were lying around the plot, cut them, sharpened them, and got everything ready for the batter boards. The surveyor marked out the corners, the wall access, and then batter boards are all set. They'll all come in handy for the next stages, like marking out the footings, walls, etc. After all, I got a signed map and I can move on to the next stage, which is coming soon.